Mfowethu. Zukudidi. Apho, wangwadye? Uyapano nzi? Uyapano. Kwa usati wadla ze? No problem, no problem. Zukudidi. Andidi. Kuno kunde kuphi? Hwange. Kanjani kutswa manje? Busy andidi. Sauda udye masikati na? Izwe zoda udye? Sadza nechi? Oda nyama yechi? Beef. Alright, uyakuno kundikutengera. Andidi. Ko drink? Ayo, drink unoda chi? Coco, Fanta? Alright. Ande nditere apa pa PicknPay. Urupaona? Tendera kudai tisangane papo. Alright, iribo. Uyandizokutengera sadza. Oda nyama beef. Alright, sawa uya apa. Uya apa. John. Bela ngapi? La. Isibongo. Isibongo sakho. Isibongo sakho awusazi. Isibongo. Chi. Brain. Joe Brain. Wena. Wazala. Uzowatshela ukuthi. Saporula sazane. Sadza pan. Sorubuya.
In as much tine namo nematambudziko mukati meupenyu hwedu, we should also remember that there are other people who are out there who have far greater troubles that they are going through in their lives. And what we could do just to help them put a smile on their face. There are so many ways that we can bring a smile on people's face by just being kind, being good, just saying hello to a stranger. You never know how it will change the people's lives. So we are saying as Saint TV, let's kill people with kindness.
Waenda. Soba zwafamba. Ndisavarwe. Varwe. Eribo. Akizemu. Alright. Iribo to bata. Yeah.